Did you know your own sister can betray you on your wedding day? This bride found out the hard way. She's walking down the aisle when she spots her abusive ex-boyfriend sitting in the crowd with his new girlfriend. Her heart drops. She never invited them. After the ceremony, she confronts her maid of honor sister, who admits she secretly invited them. Her excuse? Keeping the family together since the ex was close with their brother. The bride immediately calls security to escort them out. Her sister has a complete meltdown, screaming about how this ruined her speech. Family members start picking sides. Some defend the sister, saying she meant well. Others support the bride's decision. The ex had emotionally abused her for years, and her sister knew this. This wasn't the first time her sister crossed boundaries either. The bride realized her wedding showed her who really had her back. She cut contact with anyone who enabled this betrayal. Sometimes protecting your peace means losing people you thought would always support you. What family boundary do you wish you had enforced sooner? Follow for more drama stories.